Hello students, today we are going to learn the sound of the letter G. Say the name of the letter with me. G. Say the sound of the letter with me. G. 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 Now we will learn the G as an ending sound. So, are you ready? Oh, what is this dog doing here? He is sitting on the rug. There is also a jug and a mug on the rug. A bug appeared on the dog. The bug came from a log. Did you notice the words ending with the sound G? Dog, G. Rug, G. Jug, G. Mug, G. Log, G. Bug, G. That's great! Look, there is one picture here that ends with G. Is it a bunny, fog, or a man? That's right, fog. What about these? Bag, shoes, pencil. Yes, you are right, bag. Which picture ends with G? Monkey, flag, or frog? Yes, you are correct. Flag and frog. You did a great job.
Like, share and subscribe.